Rewards are something that come to us when we have done something that is beyond expectations, when we have actually done something that we've been asked to do. Oftentimes, it's just an affirmation. But do I need to get something tangible? For those of you who have had to work with these types of systems where kids are getting so many dollars and so many points and so many checks and so many smiles and they get to go buy something, the problem is that really it just externalizes everything. If I'm going to give a reward to a kid, it's going to look like this. It's going to say, hey, Jack, the last couple of days, man, you really got your homework in. You really got your homework in, and I'm really proud of you for that. Hey, you want to have lunch today with me? I'd like to talk about your weekend at NASCAR. That's a reward. That's the reward. That kid gets to come and he needs to talk my ear off for 20 minutes about NASCAR. And that's all he needs. And I'll bet you he'll start getting more of that homework in. If I'm a homework fan, which I'm not a big homework fan. They'll start doing their work. That's what I like about rewards. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.